Hello, hello, my amazing artists. Today, I followed along with the video on how to make a tiny sketchbook, but I have a problem. See, I'm at home and I don't have any colored construction paper for making the cover. So, what am I going to do? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make my own, and that's okay. I'm going to get a plain piece of paper, plain piece of copy paper, and I'm going to take my sketchbook, my tiny sketchbook, so I have it for reference, right? I'm going to put it to the side, and the first thing I'm going to do is take this paper and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to line up those edges very carefully, just the way we were taught in the video of how to make the sketchbook. I'm going to fold it, and something I do that's very, very helpful for me is I crease the edge of the fold with my fingernail, or I scratch the fold with my fingernail, and it makes it really flat. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. I'm going to put my sketchbook up against that fold there, and I'm going to give it a little bit of extra on the bottom, and I'm going to fold the paper over. Now if I press down, I can feel where the edges of this sketchbook are. I can feel it, and I can see it too. And I'm going to take my pencil and go a little bit outside the papers on the inside. Just draw a little line. I'm going to take my sketchbook papers out, put them to the side, fold that paper again, take my scissors, cut carefully on the line. There. Now I have my cover for my sketchbook, and I'm going to do exactly like what we saw in the video. I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to attach that cover. I like the glue sticks better for this because it is it's easier to work with. Got to hold it down. Make sure hold it down. Make sure it's really attached. Nice. Now I got to do the back cover. All right. Now the back cover is done as well. So now I can decorate the cover, and I've got my tiny sketchbook. This is so much fun. I hope you had fun as well. Make sure when you're putting your cap back on your glue that you twist and make that glue go down so that you don't have any messes later on. All right. Have fun, my art students.